And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Just got some cool stuff in today. Did a little Facebook marketplace run and got some goodies. So I guess this is what do you call it, a YouTube new goodies. I got myself a nice piece of 6061 aluminum, what looks like to be, I don't know, at least a quarter or half inch. Let me check here. This pipe is 3/8 inch thick aluminum pipe. Got some aluminum pipe. I got this sucker, 6061 aluminum. It is, yeah, 6061. It is 2 inches by 2 inches. Here's one. I picked me up better watch that. Don't want that to hit the toes. I picked me up a nice piece of aluminum like this. Make some nice jaws. This is a 3/4 inch by 2 1/4 by 64 inch piece of aluminum. And if the guy who sold me this is watching, thank you very much. I also got a nice little piece like this. Some beautiful aluminum, 6061 aluminum, Kaiser Aluminum. This one is 3/4 inch by 48 inches. Nice little chunk of metal. Got some round stock. Oh yes, you could probably cash this in at the what do you call it? Place where you get your cans. I got some 1 3/8 by 46 inches round stock again. Who knows? Got to make some little metal aluminum collars. I know what I'm using that for. I also got me a, looks like a 5/8 by 5/8 by 69 inches. It's pretty cool. It's always fun. Like you never really see aluminum in its raw, chunky form. It's always cans, bottles, and stupid little things. And got me a chunk of, oh yes, it's this piece. 3/4 inch by 45 inches. Look at that sucker. Nice 3/4 inch by 45 inch bar. It's a beauty. Like it's solid. He makes the jingle. Got that one. And this is another one here. 5/8, 65 inches long. Yep, I just wiped that on there. And last but not least, 1 1/2 by 3/4 inch, 66 inches long. Look at that. Look at the thing of beauty. What am I going to do with all this? Well, who cares really? It's mine and I bought it. But no, I got a few projects and a few uses for this. I have a couple other chunks, but I don't have this much. These here, by the way, since they are, how thick is this? 3/4 inch? Would make, see, if you look at this, make me some really nice Vise Jaws. See the thickness? See the difference? Or the thickness? Yeah, Vise Jaws. There you go. That'll make good Vise Jaw. Or, better yet, I could use, even better, this one's small. See? Look at the size metal. Aluminum jaws are nice on vices. See? It's already, yeah, look. There we go, see? Where the hell's the camera in this thing? Look at the thickness of the jaws. It's just asking to be turned into Vise Jaws. Worst case scenario, I use the other one. I got this one. It's, what, 5/8 square? A little small. But yeah, so yeah, that's one of the first uses, and I'll put it in my little stock of metal. Anyway, that's it for the goodies for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't worry about the blind spot over here. it's just what it is. Have a good one.